Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about semicolons and their use. So the semicolons are a very important punctuation mark that we see a lot in writing, and it would be very good for us and very helpful, actually, if we can learn how to use them. So let's get started. Semicolons are used to separate independent clauses which are closely related in meaning. Notice how the shape of the semicolon is like a comma with a period on top of it, because it does a really good job of merging the function of both the comma and the period at the same time. An independent clause is the same thing as a complete sentence. So it has a subject and a verb, right? So you can either say a complete sentence or you can say an independent clause. It's the same thing. Let's look at this example right here. We did not go to the park today, semicolon, it was raining. So the first thing I want to look for is, do I have two complete sentences on both ends? Yes. We did not go to the park today is a complete sentence. It was raining is a complete sentence. Now, are these two sentences at all related in meaning? Yeah, the reason why I didn't go to the park today is because it was raining. So since these two are complete sentences and they both have a meaning that's kind of related together, we're going to go ahead and use a semicolon to separate them. Okay, let's take a look at this non-example right here. We did not go to the park today, semicolon, because of the rain. Now, are these two complete sentences? The first one, we did not go to the park today. Yes, that's a complete sentence. Because of the rain, that is not a complete sentence. That is an incomplete sentence because it started with because and it has of, which is a preposition, so it makes it into a preposition phrase. For that reason, we obviously cannot use a semicolon here. So the use of the semicolon would be incorrect. The way to fix this would be to get rid of the semicolon and keep it as it is. We do not need any kind of punctuation here. We did not go to the park today because of the rain. All right, let's take a look here. We did not go to the park today, semicolon, my favorite food is pizza. Do we have two complete sentences on both ends? Sure, yes we do. Okay, now let's take a look here. My favorite food is pizza. Is that at all related in meaning to the fact that we did not go to the park today? No, it's not. So for that reason, the use of a semicolon here would be incorrect, and the way to fix this would be by getting rid of the semicolon and adding a period right after and keeping them as two separate sentences. So I would say, we did not go to the park today, period. My favorite food is pizza. And now that is correct. Where can a semicolon be used? Let's take a look at these three examples right here. My favorite food is pizza. Pepperoni is the best. Okay. Do we have two complete sentences on both ends? Yes, we do. Okay. Are these sentences related in meaning by any way? Pepperoni is the best clearly relates to the fact that my favorite food is pizza. It's kind of on the same topic. So yeah, we can use a semicolon here. We just need to pay attention to the fact that we have to have a lowercase p on the other end because this is not its own sentence. This whole thing is just one long sentence. My favorite food is pizza, semicolon, pepperoni is the best. Autumn is the best time of the year, period. I went to Hawaii last summer. We have two complete sentences on both ends, but they are not related in meaning. I went to Hawaii last summer. My summer vacation last year had nothing to do with autumn, right? So clearly we cannot use a semicolon over here. We're just going to keep it the same. Number 3, I saw a lion at the zoo, comma, and it was roaring at the spectators. Okay, do we have two complete sentences? Yes, we do. Okay, and we have a conjunction right here. This is a coordinating conjunction with a comma. So while this is a perfect sentence, you can also get rid of the conjunction and the comma and add a semicolon because we have two complete sentences on both ends and they're related in meaning. Okay? All right, so I hope this was helpful. We're going to be using this a lot in writing. In fact, when we do our writing activity today, when we write our paragraph about assertion, evidence, and commentary, I need to see that you're at least using one semicolon in your writing, okay? You just need to find two sentences that are complete sentences or independent clauses that are related in meaning, and you just need to join them together using a semicolon, okay? All right, thank you so much.